Welcome, in front of me is a Nokia XR20, and today I'll show you how to copy your contacts from the SIM card to the device. So to get started, you will want to open up the standalone contacts application, which for me is right over here. Skip signing in, and in here you want to navigate into those three bars, then go to settings, and at the bottom you can see import option. Once you click on it, it asks you where you want to import contacts from. So we're going to select SIM card. Okay, and this will select all the contacts that are on that SIM card with a little bit of a difference. If you already have some contacts and on your phone, and those contacts are also on the SIM card, on here, well, on the import page, those contacts will be deselected and will be grayed out, so you cannot select them. The phone is just simply stopping you from creating a duplicate contacts. Now, additionally, you can deselect contacts that you don't want by clicking on them, and from there, select import to import the selected contacts. As you can see, for imported, if we go back, you can see them right here. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.